The exercise 10.3, in which I am considering two problems, namely problem number 4 and problem number 5, in which for these both of the problem I am going to form a quadratic equation and solve it one by using the formula and other by factorization method. Here I am going to present it here. And now you can see the problem number 4, exercise 10.3, problem number 4. Sum of the Raymond's ages in years, 3 years and 5 years from now, 3 years ago. 3 years ago, and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Now the solution. Let the Raymond's present age be x years. And 3 years ago, his age is x minus 3. And now, 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5 years. And their reciprocal, sum of the reciprocals is 1 by 3. It is a given, and let me call this as an equation. What is that? 1. Now multiplying the equation 1 by 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5, we get 3 into x plus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into x minus 3 into x plus 5. And this will give, what is that, 3x plus 15 plus 3x, x plus 5, and this is x minus 3. This is x minus 3. 3x minus 9 is equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Simplifying this one, and this we will get, what is that, x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. And let me call this is the equation number 2, which is in the standard form. Therefore, we have by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. And to a, substituting the values of a, b, c here, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. Therefore, x is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus square root of, what is that, minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 by 2 into 1. Okay, that is x is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 plus 84 by 2, and that is 4 plus or minus square root of 100 by 2, that is 4 plus or minus 10 by 2, and therefore x is equal to either 7, 4 plus 10, 14 divided by 2, 7, or x is equal to 4 minus 10 means minus 6 by 2, that is a minus 3. This is not permissible because the age is in a positive number. Therefore, x must be 7, and hence Rahman's present age is 7 years. This is our answer. You can see, verify this answer by substituting the value of x as 7 in equation number 1. Now the problem number, what is that, 5, problem 5, which states that in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30 total marks. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Now solution, and let Shefali marks in mathematics be x, and then her marks in English is 30 minus x. So why it is so, you can think. And now if she got 2 marks more in mathematics, her marks would have been x plus 2, and if she got 3 marks less in English, her marks will be 30 minus x minus 3, that is a 27 minus x marks in English. And but the product of these marks is x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210, and that is 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to, multiplying these two factors, we have got the left hand side. The right hand side is as it is, and therefore minus x square, simplifying this one, plus 25x, because 27x minus 2x, 25x, plus 54. I would like to bring this 210 to the left hand side, that is minus 210 is equal to 0. And simplifying this one, minus x square plus 25x minus 156, because 54 is added with a minus 210, that will give minus 154, and this will gives x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 156, sorry. Zero. Now we can call this is equation number 3 here, and it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now I would like to split the middle term minus 25 in such a way that their sum is minus 25 and product must be 156. Here I would like to consider 156 that I would like to split 156 into minus 12 and minus 13, and now we can split the middle term of the equation 1. Therefore, 1 can be written as x square minus 13 x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. So I would like to consider these two expression. Therefore, x minus 13 x into x minus 13 and minus 12 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. That is x minus 13 into x minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 13 equal to 0, and I would like to equate as a linear equation, and x minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12 bars. Now we can see we have assumed that Mars in mathematics is x. If therefore, if C scores 13 marks in mathematics, and then she had how many marks in what is that in English? That is 30 minus 13 is equal to 17 marks in English. If Shefali scores 12 marks in mathematics, then she had 30 minus 12 equal to 18 marks in English. Either of the possibilities will holds good here.